they look me koro and they hear me whine. I be say you tanda gidigba. On top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia Max for UHF channel 57 and Wazobia TV for channel 98 for Go TV. We dey talk and say everything don't turn double. Sake of say for inside Lagos where we dey so Abuja and for different parts of Obodo the world and Nigeria, we dey sunshine with all of the interesting things when they happen inside Nigeria political boxing ring on top of the Ogbonge program as e dey hot. My name na Ezu Gochokwode. And as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I there with my brother when Sabu when I say concerning political matter as it dey hot.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers. Yes, 3 days into a fresh year, into the year 2016. I would anticipate, say yes, as they proceed, as don't they reach the tail end of the year 2015, we will at least collectively do it, collectively join hands to ensure, say at least this country, they safe for us and they safe for our purpose until we cross over to the next year. Yes, and the program now as it is hot as Chukwudi don't talk, and then as usual we'll bring up issues where we say where they very interesting, or we say where be issues of national interest where you and I go fit do it in join mouth together, discuss some, make we know as we go take move the country forward. And we will also open our phone line for now to do it to also call so that at least we go know as we will take rub these issues, rub minds together on top of this matter. My name never still change. My name now Nkubi, and this now as it is hot.
Today the topic where we go carry come now something where we say go come out plenty smoke and generate plenty debate. We not go waste time because we go try our phone lines open sharp so that you go call to talk your own 2 kobo for inside this matter. I go clear my throat, then break am down. Everybody knows say for about 6 years now, you get one particular issue when they deal with the issue of insurgency. When we say the Boko Haram Jaguda people don't carry come enter inside this our Obodo, Nigeria. It don't be issue of campaign for different major political parties because they talk say if they give them the opportunity to sit down there for government, they go make sure say this thing become a thing of the past. Enter March 28, 2015. After the presidential elections, Nigeria can discover say yes, time don't reach for new set of people to enter inside Aso Rock, begin the run things for inside this our Obodo, Nigeria. And the first thing when they been talk about now say this issue of insurgency will become a thing of the past. Plus or minus, Oga President will change the people when we say and then go they run things for army work them. And he can give them deadline say by the 31st of December. I go clear my throat. 31st of December, say make Boko Haram Jaguda badness inside Nigeria become a thing of the past. On Wednesday, 23rd, the Minister for Information and Culture, Alhaji Lai Mohammed, come out, come talk, say, if you check on plus or minus, if you see the way when we say this Boko Haram Jaguda people, they operate before and now, say technically, Nigeria don't win the war against Boko Haram Jaguda badness. Oga President can reiterate wetin Alhaji Lai Mohammed talk. Himself can come and come and say yes. If you check the things when we say our army people don't do, and the way when we say this Boko Haram Jaguda people, they don't get power to fit do things again. Say technically too, our army them don't win the war against Boko Haram Jaguda badness. But Nigerians can look say, technically we don't win. But information will come out from over the weekend can show say for different parts of the northeastern part of Nigeria, say some kind of badness happen. Make we no go far. For Kimba village on the 25th of December, they talk say Boko Haram Jaguda bad men enter inside the village for night, then buy 14 people and then burn down the entire village. For Aladuwari village, for Asada side, for inside Maiduguri, 2 kilometers from Maiduguri, they talk say Boko Haram Jaguda people say enter inside that area, then buy plenty people. And information been come out, you know they clear or you know they real, nobody know. Say for Maiduguri, our soldier people them then they battle these Boko Haram people, they shoot for a very long time. We also hear say for inside Kaduna, say our soldier people based on intelligence, they avert disaster when some suicide bombers for good cause for inside Kaduna there. Then the one way come like say now he can't top them up. They talk say 2 suspected female suicide bombers they enter inside Adamawa, they come blow themselves boa and 30 people come by. Some Nigerians come they talk say it be like say now all this talk when they talk now they make these people they do like say they won't show themselves. I be truly we don't win this war technically or not technically. I be we just they make mouth. We go allow you Chukma for this matter and talk the way when the thing be. But make una remember say today we no want trade blames. Nigeria belong to all of us. As we dey talk make we dey give advice on what our government fit do so that this thing will become a thing of the past.
Yes. On that same note, say make it become a thing of the past. Make we also look this matter from this angle. Yes, the world, say with the rain now, the issue of say technically, say somehow, say we don't they win this battle. Fine, we go fit talk say yes, so technically say we don't they win the battle. Unto say all those major cities where Boko Haram be the dominate before, we don't collect everything. Just like say we don't come do it, restrict them into one particular position. So okay, now this range we dey try cover now, we dey enter into the people to know who and who be the bad people where they among us. So we go feed they do it in, we go feed at least get rid of them, command them from the good eggs where they among us. We dey see that result. But even at that, winning the war against terrorism, no be something where we just come and talk, say yes, say we don't win the war. As a matter of fact, say we don't win the war. This thing now something we say we go need to also follow logically. Okay, if we dey win the war, we don't see result right now. Waiting will they put in place so that at least if such issue they try arise again, we go feed the avert them almost immediately. Because in this case, winning the war no means winning the war and going back to sleep. It means winning the war and getting set in case if any somehow if anything stir up from any other set, we go feed us, we go take container so that at least you know go escalate the way the one who they try control now. Take escalate. So the issue is we are winning the war. Okay, what would they do? What our government they also do to ensure that at least we contain them so that in case somehow if they want to say they won't show head again, we will fit do it. We will fit handle them well. Mm-hmm. So these are questions where we also want to make our viewers react to, make we also know as we go take collectively join hands together to know as we will take at least bring down this thing and also fit contain them as well.
It could be happy the way when you take analyze this particular issue because you know the kind eye when they use they look you. For example, everybody knows say I did very very sure say when they talk about say okay come out for Boy Scouts, come out for Manowar, I dey sure say na 10 where girls they do and sway. Now there you be like say you go like to they go where. But the way you take analyze this issue, I see say some of the military background when I get don't they rub off on you. And kudos to me.
You say.
What do you say?
You say
this is where you talk here before. Two months ago you go fit talk am.
You say the military.
2 months ago you go fit talk am. The military background when I get don't they rub off on you and it's very very glaring.
What did you try to talk?
It's very very clear.
What is glaring?
No, they ask me say what are they try to talk? You know what I'm talking about?
What is glaring?
That the military background is rubbing off on you.
Please. Look, we have barely 2-3 days into New Year, and I don't vow to myself say you. Chukwudi, I don't want waiting go make me. I don't want waiting go they make me. They shout all the time. If you say even as I talk to you, I calm down. Just they talk to you like gentleman. But it just like say you don't want change. I'm planning to change, but you don't want plan to change. You always try find fault in yourself. Will not be me. So please. I don't want to be attached to any military background or any Boy Scout background where you say you get. As a matter of fact, every Nigerian we know, every Nigerian who they watch us know, say yes, your military background was just a passing by, not just, okay, they pass military grade, you just see military, greet them, come pass. Now the military background where you get with that, now waving of hand to military people, now be military background, don't tell me I don't understand.
You don't go agree accept.
Why I accept?
Because you see, you don't go agree.
How many times with me and you don't come and say, okay, make we even try this military background thing. Make I know how militarian you are. You can't give me excuse.
How waiting?
I don't know. It is my time.
How waiting?
And it is my time.
What is your time? Are you the Queen of England? Are you the Queen of England? What do you mean by it's your time?
I can decide to just
militarian.
Coin a term of my own.
You cannot.
After all, no let me not the coin. After all, we not get people like whether they coin.
Wetin he talk no dey wrong. You dey come and say militarian. Wetin be militarian?
It is still a term.
Which term?
It is a term.
Better mind yourself with the kind things wey dey talk here now.
A term I coined myself and it will stick to me.
You go talk whether you be the first son of Queen Elizabeth of England.
We don't get that to create words.
Why will you create militarian? What do you mean militarian? See your mouth as even bad. Militarian.
Hey, don't. Yeah, no, enough. Please, enough.
What do you mean enough? What do you mean enough?
Enough.
We carry topic come say make we dey face am. Technically, you come here and tell me say militarian.
On a very good note. Chukwu dey call the pick on me. What is? Me not help me fight for that. What is that? What did I do you? What did I do you?
Oga okay from Calabar.
What did I do you?
Oga okay from Calabar now.
What did I do you? Okay. Good morning, Oga okay.
Hello, good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Ogoke.
How na day?
Thank you
Fine.
thank you for technically calling us.
You're welcome, brothers. Make I take time shook my small because they pay me gaga. They pay me well. First of all, get to what I did I want to drop now. Number one, be say, you know, na Nigeria now they see where star. Say me the key moon making shine brighter than star. That one number one. Then dog where they bite, no they back. I believe say when these people supposed come out and say they are winning the war is when Boko Haram is no more. Maybe when you don't maybe pursue them from one community, you come out on the broadcast to Nigeria say you are winning the war. They are no longer controlling any territory, whatever. No, you are telling them that you are fighting them. They are telling you that they also are around. They are also capable of fighting you back. So the thing they pain me when they go open mouth, they talk like that. Maybe what we expect. We expect by now we don't live freely. Like yesterday, I was in Calabar Carnival. To be sincere with you, I'm afraid because of the crowd there. I couldn't even. Okay, the thing lasted for the whole day, but I only spent 2 hours and I moved because I know the country we are staying is not secured. So I believe, may they do something. Because when you open mouth, they talk say I'm winning the war. Meanwhile, nothing we don't do. Those people go get the chance to know how to attack you again, to know the area to bite you. So they should stop telling us all these things. All we need is for them to flush it back. Let us live.
Okay, thank you very, very much.
Okay, do well,
make
Jerry,
we see
thank you.
final end to Ram. No be say we'll come here. Oga Williams from Abuja. Good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Oga Williams.
Good morning. How is the studio today?
You doing okay?
Fine.
Well, I want to comment on the war against terrorism. You see, it's quite unfortunate that in this country we don't tell ourselves the truth. Why I'm saying this is I was part of the war against insurgency. I've just been relocated back to Abuja about 3 months ago. And even as the government of the day, through the speaker, is saying the war will be won before December.
Or by December
It's
31st.
it's not attainable. The truth is that we shouldn't raise the hope of the people too much because it will make them to lose confidence in the government of the day at the end of the day. Because if at 31st Boko Haram strikes again, you will see that people will begin to say that they promise that by 31st they will flush out Boko Haram, we will not see Boko Haram again. What the Minister for Information is supposed to actually do, on my own view, is that he should be raising the morale of the people in another way by urging the people to join the war against insurgency by giving information and but not coming out to every day tell us about the old government. The old government, the insurgency did not start with the old government. It was there since 2006, but nobody noticed it until it broke out in 2008, 2009, 2010. And I will tell you categorically that we need to continue to pray and raise the morale of the people. And every day you keep hearing people talking about only the military. The military has never in one day portrayed the Nigerian police in all the statements they have always given. Why the war is not just fought by the military alone. The police inclusive is there. Go and check it out in the field. You will see policemen fighting alongside soldiers. To flush out Boko Haram from the main city of Maiduguri was achieved by the police.
Oga Williams, this your contribution don't make plenty sense. You don't talk say everybody when they're involved supposed contribute to this successful fight against insurgency for inside Obodo, Nigeria. Still that same Abuja, we will collect this call from Oga Ade. Oga Ade, they call us from Abuja. Oga Ade, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Chukwundi and Nkubi.
Good morning, Ogade.
Yeah, the Boko Haram has been awoken again technically.
Fire, would they hear you?
The Prime Minister shouldn't make such comment. If you look at it in 2009, when they first strike, they were completely, brought down by then government, late Yaradua. And the then government never even come out and said they defeated Boko Haram. So just as the earlier caller has said, the dog that bites doesn't, bark. Even when you defeated them, just go and relax, keep quiet, get yourself prepared for greater challenges ahead. They shouldn't have made such comment. And besides, our president told us that they can't even strike in a satellite area again. The Polo area, they strike day before yesterday. That is the main NMC, the main Maiduguri town. So I think we need to reawaken. The army should be comment also, but then it's far from over, I think.
Ogade, thank you very, very much for this your important contribution. You don't make them they clear, say, you get the kind way when we suppose they talk. Maybe the thing not even come, they ginger these people to they do some more bad things. It be like saying Abuja people, they carry first today. Oga Igo from the same Abuja. Good morning and welcome to Asidi Hot.
Oga Shukudi, I greet you.
I greet you, Oga Igo.
Oga Ukubi, not only the day you hear suit, they speak truth small. I greet you.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
First of all, I go pray for the soldier people they say they fight insurgents around the northern states. Now God will give them the strength, the power, the courage when they leave their house, leave their family, their lovely family. They don't do Christmas with their family now. They fight Boko Haram Wahala. Now God will bless them. God will protect them. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
That's the issue of this thing. If I will say, more not bring them. If I will say the way they tackle these people now, the way they tackle them now, if I will say they tackle them since, I'm telling you, not to say we go defeat Boko Haram. Boko Haram if I don't turn mine, by that I go be like 20%. The time when the business starts, the force not there like that to attack these people. You get me? First of all, you go think like now, what they say Boko Haram. What do you mean of Boko Haram?
Western education is bad.
Western education, they get me. So, first of all, you first scatter that ideology where you go make it no say Boko Haram is no good. You bring something like you go to all those television stations for North. You bring something like say you go destroy the name Boko Haram. You bring on that name say this name when they call you no good though. Now when you do like this, now you go say good. Then you go down to the community. The elders when you say they lead, you go to the mosque. People they preach for them. You make sure say for the mosque, churches, you preach against Boko Haram. You campaign against Boko Haram. Seriously. Then at first, you first scatter that ideology first from them before you start to say you want to fight them with weapons. First of all, keep the ideology from other prominent say they go cash, then you go poison their mind. You kill them first. When you kill those things come out, that's when you bring the force, the military protocol fight. Make them use the elders. The elders now the key people when go make this to win the war for all those northern states. Make them use the elders. Not every time you go use force. When you bring small military civilian JTF, when they say they go know all the Ekoro for inside the villages, all those civilian JTF, they know all the Ekoro inside the villages. You go use them, join. This work not only for the military. It's not easy at all. May they go down, may they campaign very well, seriously.
Yes, Ogaigo, in fact, you don't speak well on top of this matter, and then the idea we even bring. Now, if the idea will duly follow, at least we will not say yes, you will also at least add to the contribution of fighting this and bringing it down. We get Mercy. Mercy, they call us from Nasarawa. Good morning, Mercy. Mercy, good morning.
Mercy, you did here? If like say network no green Mercy make that contribution. All our people when we say don't contribute for this discussion, they don't talk things when we say they make our belly they sweet. Oga okay all the way from Calabar, Oga Williams from Abuja, Ade from Abuja, Igo from Abuja. If you check their statements, they very, very glaring say, as Nigerians, all of us they concerned about security for this country because we all believe say if we indeed won't get country when we say development go there and peace go there, we go get country when they very, very secure. But before we continue with our discussion, we go rush enter inside small market. When we go this market, come back, we will still discuss the technical issue of say Nigeria don't win the war against Boko Haram. Whether you agree or not wash. But most importantly, not be fight. Now to talk how we go take do and for make everything better. No go anywhere nasty. As it hot.
if you know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.